guys, welcome to my vlog again, and it's me, Laila the Explorer, and I'm just sharing you about my cast. I have 3 casts already, and this is the last cast Dr. Rosmay did this one. So my first cast is like this one. This is my first cast, and then the position of my foot is just like hang. As you can see the cast, like my foot like this, like a hang, or I don't know how many degrees like this, because my surgery is in this part and need to cover all my legs, so that, because doctor said if the cast was until here only, until here below the knee, the surgery inside is useless, maybe because the wound will be bent more if the cast is below the knee only. So my doc says that much better my cast from here to above the knee, much better for my operation, for my surgery, so that the wound or the surgery will be safe. As you can see, this is the position of my first cast. And then, this is my second cast. I keep my cast. I just want to see, remembering my cast, my foot happened. Also, the position is changed. The first cast was like this, hang the position, and the second one is not too much hang, just like hang like this and like that until like this. And this is my second cast, and my wounds part already covered. After 6 months, this area opened, so that to check the wounds if it is okay. And my second cast, this was my second cast and fully covered. No need to clean the ones because it's dry already. And as you can see, the position like this, not too much hang, and still until above the knee, the cast, for the safety of my surgery area, and or better to heal the wounds. And the last is this part. This cast was like that. I can step the floor and I can walk now, but I feel something little pain, and not too much pain like before. So I can stand fully, but the knee is like a curve, so that my problem is here. The knee is like curve. I can't stand straight because of here. And I put this because I feel the pain. The edge and the edges of this area of the cast, it's hitting on my skin. So I just cover the edge both. So this is my cast. I'm hoping my healing soon about my foot, and I can walk not too much fast because I still feel the pain this part. And that was the story of my cast. The first cast was 6 months, and after 6 months, change for the second cast, only 2 weeks. And this is my also third cast until 2 weeks only. So after this, I don't have cast anymore and need to have the therapy. So this is my third cast, and this is my third cast and the last. And after this, after 2 weeks, need to remove this one, and I will undergo for the next procedure, next therapy. I will do the therapy as doc recommended, because my legs getting tight or getting small, not like this, it's a normal size, but this one, it's getting slim, and that's why I need to do the therapy. I don't know if how many sessions for the therapy, as doc recommended for me. So this time, this is my cast story. It's hard to have like this, but thanks God, I'm hoping for my recovery soon and I'm getting well as well. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. I share you about my cast, about my situation, about my surgery on being a tear rupture Achilles. So thank you guys for watching my vlog. Thank you, thank you.